Okay guys, take a little trip here now. We're going to talk about AI, artificial intelligence, and how to use it when in Puerto Vallarta, in Mexico or anywhere else, how to use it and get the best out of it. I use it all the time now. It's like I say, times are changing. There's three main ones I use. ChatGPT, which is the one you probably know or most know. And then we have Google Bard, B-A-R-D. Again, I'll put the description up in the description. And Microsoft Bing, which is run by ChatGPT 4, which is an update of ChatGPT. So, but I use them three. When I was in Merida in Yucatan, I used ChatGPT to do me a walking itinerary. So all I typed in, I said I want a walking tour of Merida, half a day, taking all historical sites, show me culture and what should be seen in Merida while you're there. And it did it all for me, give me directions, where to go, it even said where to go to eat. So for that, if you do that kind of thing, it's perfect. If you're researching hotels, restaurants, entertainment, bars, anything like that, use Google Bard, because with that one they will give you a map. I'll give you an example. I was out with a friend 4 or 5 days ago, and she wanted a vegan restaurant. I said, I can't find a vegan restaurant anywhere in Puerto Vallarta. I said, they are here, so I've seen them. So I showed her, I said, right, go into Google Bard, type in 5 best vegan restaurants in Puerto Vallarta with directions and show on a map. And she was amazed that this AI did it all for her. So give her a description of all the vegetarian or vegan restaurants, where they were and where they are on a map. So I know now she is using that for everything. She was so amazed by it. But again, you could tell her, say, I want 5 or 10 best high-end restaurants in whatever in the world, really. I use Puerto Vallarta as a sample because this is what I am, and it will give it to you with again directions and how good they taste. I've even done one here just to see if it works for best taquerias, and it did. It had on the top was ponchos, and I won't say that's the best, but that is the most popular. And then Pepe's Tacos were on it, and La Guerra was on it. So yes, it does work. If you want to, again, I did one for a friend, which was by email. This was they wanted to do things to do with kids in Puerto Vallarta. Is anything to do with kids in Puerto Vallarta? So I was like, yeah, type it in Google Bard. There's things for kids to do in Puerto Vallarta, and she came back to me and she had a list of 6-7 things that families could do. So again, it's a tool you need to use. It again will make things a lot more easier in wherever you are in the world. So take on board the AI. Next, we'll talk about buses.